Lakes are an essential part of our identity here in Minnesota. They are vital for our economy, the environment, and our way of life, and it is up to us to protect them. On the surface, lakes are a beautiful view and a great place to recreate, but they are so much more than that. Lakes are thriving ecosystems filled with animals, plants, microorganisms, and other wildlife, including people. But to fully appreciate the complexity of a healthy lake, we need to take a look below the surface. In central and southern Minnesota, shallow lakes are more common than their deep and rocky northern cousins. All lakes have essential nutrients like phosphorus and nitrogen that are the base of the food chain supporting fish and plants. In deep lakes, these nutrients often stay locked away in the lake bed. In shallow lakes, however, readily available nutrients, warmer water, and sunlight reaching the lake bed combine to create the ideal conditions for rapid plant growth and a thriving ecosystem. However, the delicate balance of this sensitive ecosystem can easily be disrupted. What happens on the land surrounding a lake can have a significant impact on the lake itself. Lakes in more populated areas or with more recreational activity are at greater risk of being polluted and choked by algae and invasive species. When runoff from rain or melting snow enters a lake, especially in residential areas, it carries a lot of extra nutrients. The right amount of nutrients are essential for a healthy lake, but too much can cause uncontrolled algae growth. If aquatic plants are starved for sunlight or removed, the lake bed and shoreline can be eroded by wind and waves, making the water murky. These plants normally provide food and habitat for wildlife and hold the lake bed in place with their roots. When they're gone, the shoreline becomes unstable and can erode, leading to property loss. A lakeshore mowed to the water's edge can recede as much as 5 feet in 10 years. Invasive plants like Eurasian water milfoil and animals like zebra mussels and invasive carp may invade the lake and cause serious harm to the whole ecosystem. We love our lakes and want them to stay clean, swimmable, and full of native fish and wildlife for our children to enjoy. So what can we do to keep them that way? Lakeshore owners have the great opportunity to be stewards of their lake's health. What we do on our lakeshore properties can impact fish and wildlife, shoreline stability, and algae growth. Our actions could cause a lot of harm or a lot of good, and it's up to us to decide. However, one lakeshore property alone can only make a small difference. The healthiest lakes are a result of lakeshore neighbors all working together. If you're ready to get started, click the link at the end of this video to learn more about how you can create your own lakeshore oasis.